So, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. You go to go channel for latest job opportunities and career tips. So, are you looking to land into a role with one of the world's top consulting giants? So, Deloitte is hiring for the role of analyst, dashboard, and automation team, USI in Hyderabad. So, if you are passionate about data, dashboards, and automations, then this one tailor made for you. So, stick around to know all the details and how you can apply today. So that's it. And now let's dive into the job details. So as you can see, the job designation is of analyst into dashboarding and automation team basically. So this role is all about building impactful dashboards, automating tasks, and working with tools like Excel, Power BI, Tableau, and SharePoint. So if you are someone who loves solving problems using data, then this is the golden opportunities. Responsibilities of this job is going to be something like so as you can see, they have mentioned the responsibility that you'll be performing at this role. So as an analyst into automations, basically, your roles and responsibilities will be something like preparing reports and dashboards in Power BI, Tableau, and Excel, automating workflows using Excel macros, creating templates and tools to boost efficiency, working on SharePoint, content creation, and forms. You'll also be involved into handling data from Qualtrics surveys, building access forms and tables, and integrating with SharePoints. We'll also be involved into collaborating with cross-function teams for reporting and automations. So these are your kind of going to be responsibilities at Deloitte once you join as analyst into reporting and automations. So now let's understand the required skill sets for this particular role. So as they have mentioned, you must have a bachelor degree in computer science related field with the minimum experience that they have mentioned is 2 years, if I'm not wrong. They haven't mentioned any experience, but I think 1 to 2 years experience is preferred. Even if you are a fresher with strong projects or skill sets, I think you can apply for this particular role. And knowledge of advanced Excel, Power Query, pivot tables, slices, graphs, all these are required. And preferred knowledge, if you have knowledge in SQL, Python, Power Apps, and generative AI tools, then you will be preferred over the other candidates. So soft skills also, which is mandatory for any analyst role, which is again strong analytical skills, ability to work with virtual in-person team, experience interpreting metrics for leadership decision making, and excellent communication and management skill. So these are some of the soft skills and hard skills required for this role. Now let's directly understand why you want to join Daylight, which is again, as we all know, that one of the top consulting firm. So it's a global brand, as we mentioned, with massive learning and development, inclusive growth-oriented culture, access to professional development and mentorship program, amazing employee benefits, and other benefits that you will be getting at Daylight. So these are the benefits that you're going to get Daylight once you join it as analyst in automation and reporting. So how to apply? Just head to the link in description. We have mentioned direct link for this particular role and apply as soon as possible before the deadline, which they have not mentioned again, but it might expire anytime soon because this is a highly competitive role. So that's it for these opportunities. If you have got a passion for automation, data visualizations, and dashboarding, or working with Power BI, Tableau, Excel, Advanced Excel, Pivot, and all that. Pivot is basically in Excel. You might have heard about that. So you are good to go for this role, and go and apply. Head to the link in description. We have mentioned direct link for the job. Stay away from any fraud links, and yeah, you are good to go for this role. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for the notes for daily job updates and career tips, and also share this with your friends or colleagues who might be interested or who might you think are the best fit for this role, so that the right people can get into this wonderful organization. And yeah, that's it for these opportunities. Go and apply. I wish you all the best with your applications. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.